Hey everyone! In this new series on my channel we will solve LeetCode problems and explain them. LeetCode provides a vast repository of algorithmic problems that cover a wide range of concepts and techniques. Regular practice on LeetCode helps developers improve their problem-solving skills and deepen their understanding of algorithms and data structures. Today, we're diving into a popular coding problem from LeetCode called two-sum. This is a classic problem that tests your ability to use data structures efficiently. So, let's get started. First, let's understand the problem. We are given an array of integers and a target value. Our goal is to find two numbers in the array that add up to the target value and return their indices. For example, if we have the array 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target value is 9, the two numbers that add up to 9 are 2 and 7. The indices of these numbers are 0 and 1, so the output should be 0, 1. Alright, let's break this down step by step. The first approach that might come to mind is to use a nested loop to check each pair of numbers. While this works, it's not the most efficient solution. Here's why: we loop through each element, and for each element, we loop through the remaining elements to check if their sum equals the target. This results in a time complexity of O(n)(2), which can be very slow for large arrays. Let me show you a more efficient approach using a hash map. To improve the efficiency, we can use a hash map. The idea is to store each number and its index in the hash map as we iterate through the array. For each number, we check if the complement, target, current number, exists in the hash map. If it does, we have found our two numbers, and we return their indices. If it doesn't, we add the current number and its index to the hash map and continue. This approach allows us to find the solution in a single pass with a time complexity of O(n). Let's look at the code. We start by creating an empty hash map to store the numbers and their indices. Then we loop through each number in the array. For each number, we calculate the complement by subtracting the number from the target. We check if the complement exists in the hash map. If it does, we return the indices of the complement and the current number. If it doesn't, we add the current number and its index to the hash map. If we find the pair, we return their indices. If no pair is found, we throw an exception, though the problem guarantees a solution will exist. Let's run the code with our example. In our main method, we create an instance of the solution class and call the two-sum method with the example array and target. We then print the result. When we run the code, it correctly prints indices 0, 1, which are the indices of the numbers 2 and 7 that add up to 9. And that's it. We've successfully solved the two-sum problem using a hash map for efficient lookups. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Using a hash map is a powerful technique to optimize your solutions and make them more efficient. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!